exposing the secret to saving time and reducing food waste. It's all about meal prep. Meal prepping isn't just for fitness buffs, it's for anyone who wants to eat healthy and save time. Here's how to get started. First, plan your meals for the week. Keep it simple. Think proteins, veggies, and grains. Make a shopping list to avoid impulse buys. Next, dedicate 1 or 2 hours to cooking. Batch cook your proteins like chicken or tofu. Roast a big tray of veggies. Cook a pot of brown rice or quinoa. Store everything in portion-sized containers. Label them so you know what's what. Stack them neatly in your fridge. Now you've got grab-and-go meals for the whole week. No more last-minute fast food runs, and you'll reduce food waste too. So, ready to reclaim your time and eat healthier? Let's get meal prepping. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy prepping!